It's time that I unveil this game-changing opportunity to earn over $450 per day in 2024, no questions asked. Stick around as I reveal one of the easiest and most effective ways to make money online, accessible from anywhere in the world. Whether you're in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, or beyond, this method works seamlessly for everyone. You can receive your payments through your credit or debit cards, PayPal, Google Wallet, Apple Pay, Etsy gift cards, or even via Payoneer. And if none of these methods are accessible in your country, you can still get paid directly into your bank account in your local currency. Get ready to explore this incredible opportunity with me, so let's dive right in. Here's the rundown of the steps prepared for you in this video. First step, register for the AI design platform we'll be using. Second step, select your favorite templates and experiment with designing. Third step, familiarize yourself with the fundamental tools and techniques for creating designs. Fourth step, create an account on Etsy and list your digital designs as a seller. Let's kick things off with the first step, which is heading over to this AI tool called Kcom. I'll walk you through how we can leverage this tool to make over $450 a day, so stick around. Kcom is an awesome free AI-powered design tool that lets you create some seriously cool stuff. From advanced designs to eye-catching logos, stunning photos, and even epic illustrations and mock-ups, you name it. It's super user-friendly, so whether you're a pro or just starting out, Kcom's got you covered. Plus, it works its magic by generating sleek designs and icons based on simple text prompts. Give it a go yourself by clicking the link in the description. And the best part? You can easily tweak colors with just a click, making your designs pop in no time. They offer a bunch of pre-made templates that are good to go for personal or business use. Just hit up the link in the video description, sign up for free on Kcom, and log in to your account. Your Kcom dashboard will look pretty straightforward and user-friendly. No need to fuss with downloading any software. You can rock it right from your browser. From there, you can pick from loads of templates like logos, posters, thumbnails, t-shirts, covers, and more. It's all about making your text pop and your designs shine. You've got the power to whip up some seriously cool mock-ups and throw in some jaw-dropping illustrations, making the possibilities endless. There's a treasure trove of pre-made designs waiting for you to dive into. Whether you're after t-shirt designs, logos, covers, posters, or cards, it's all there for the taking. You can even cherry-pick the exact templates you're into, or simply punch in what you're looking for in the search bar. So let's say you're feeling those beach vibes. Just click on the t-shirt templates and a whole bunch of beachy designs pops up to choose from. Keep scrolling and the fresh designs just keep on rolling in. Now, on to step number 2. After you've picked out the template you fancy, let's say you're eyeing this particular design, it'll whisk you away to the project page. First order of business, give your creation a personalized name. Just hit that edit project title icon and you're free to name it whatever floats your boat. Your project will then be neatly tucked away in your account, ready and waiting for you in the My Projects section. Come take a look at this settings icon right here. Why? Well, because sometimes you might want to tweak things a bit, especially if you're planning to print your design on a t-shirt. In that case, you might need to adjust the dimensions. Let's say 12x16. Just switch this to inches, pop in 12 and 16 in these boxes respectively, and now you've got yourself the perfect canvas size to work with. Oh, and don't forget about these handy shortcuts tucked away in the bottom left corner of the project page. They're like little life hacks, plus for zooming in, minus for zooming out, and so on. Now, let's talk about layers. Layers are like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, where you can draw or place different elements without affecting the others. You might start with the background on one layer, Then add characters on another layer, and maybe some special effects on yet another layer. This way, you can adjust or move each element independently without messing up the rest of your artwork. Layers give you incredible flexibility and control over your work, allowing you to make precise edits without altering the underlying elements. Hey, quick heads up, not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Moving on to step 3, where I'll share some simple yet effective techniques to make your designs stand out in no time. This will help you easily hit that $450 per day mark with your creations. Starting with the text in our design, check out how versatile it is. You can play around with different colors for each text element on our canvas. For instance, you can tweak the shadow color to your liking or switch up the main text color with just a click. And guess what? You've got a bunch of default colors right at your fingertips, making it super easy to stick to your theme and maintain that visual consistency. Now let's talk about the border weight feature. As you can see, when you crank up the border weight, the inner border of the text gets thicker. And if you're not vibing with the font style, no worries. You've got access to thousands of premium fonts right here, all for free. So whether you're into something bold, italic, or fancy, you'll find what you need. Plus, you can adjust the letter spacing to your liking. Typing in a higher number increases the space between letters, while going negative decreases it. Now, on to text transformation. You'll notice our text already has an angle applied to it. But hey, if you're feeling adventurous, you can switch things up with a circle transformation. Just imagine how cool your text will look. So here's where things get fun. You've got the option to distort your text, giving it all sorts of funky shapes. Imagine bending and twisting your words to fit whatever style you're going for. Whether it's fitting your text into a specific shape or following some crazy distorted lines, the possibilities are endless. And it doesn't stop there. You can play around with other transformations like arch, rise, wave, and flag, giving your text that extra detail. Now let's talk about effects. This is where you can spice things up with different shadows. Play around with angles, shadow sizes, and outline widths to make your text pop. And if you're feeling extra fancy, add some decorations to really jazz up your design. When you're tweaking your text, you'll notice that some decorations are already added to certain parts. But hey, you can add more if you're feeling creative. Just click around, select your text, and play with the effects to add some flair. Oh, and don't forget you can change the colors of those decorations too. Now here's a neat trick. Normally, when you move something in your design, just that one thing moves, right? But if you want everything to move together, hit Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select all elements. Then, when you move something, it all moves as a unit. And if you ever need to break that group up, just right-click and select Ungroup. Here's another cool feature. You can jazz up your design with textures. Just head over to the texture option on the left and you'll find a bunch to choose from. Oh, and if you're wondering how they'll look, you can remove the background to get a clearer view. See? Just like that. And if you want to focus on just the texture itself, you can clip out the background. Pretty neat, huh? That's how you make your designs pop. So check out this Kcom AI option on the left-hand side. With just a simple click, you can whip up stunning images like this. Let me walk you through it. First, pick the style you want, and then type in your prompt. The more detailed, the better the image turns out. For example, I'll go with a Swan Lake theme for now. Look, it's loading up, and there you have it, a really cool image. Now you can tweak the colors and I'd recommend choosing from the default options for convenience. Once you've got the color right, just position the image on top of your design. You can even layer it above other elements like flowers or text. Then, when you're happy with how it looks, click on the mock-up option. From there, you can easily apply your design to different items like t-shirts, candles, or even mugs. Just adjust the size to fit and you're good to go. It's a breeze to customize your designs and download mock-ups for all sorts of products. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from, and trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. On to the fourth and final step, we're heading over to Etsy.com. It's like a hub where you can showcase and sell all sorts of goodies. Your custom t-shirts, mugs with your designs, even wall art featuring your creations. Check out this person who's raked in over $100,000 just by putting up a basic t-shirt design on Etsy. You can do the same by uploading your designs there, plus you've got the perfect tool for it. Kcom. Signing up on Etsy as a seller and uploading your products is a straightforward process. Begin by visiting Etsy.com and selecting the Sell on Etsy option. If you're new to Etsy, you'll need to sign up by providing your email address, creating a password, and choosing a username. Once logged in, complete your seller profile by adding essential details such as your shop name, location, and a profile picture. You can also write a short bio to introduce yourself and your shop to potential buyers. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your shop by specifying details like your shop's language, currency, and country. Additionally, you'll need to select your preferred payment methods and enter your billing information. With your shop set up, it's time to add your products. Navigate to the Listings tab and select Add a Listing. Fill in all the necessary details about your product, including its title, description, price, and shipping options. Don't forget to upload high-quality photos to showcase your product effectively. If you're interested in more money-making methods with Etsy, check out my video where I show you how to make $100 a day using Canva and ChatGPT for your Etsy listings. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy earning.